really, you can see the path real good down through there.
In 0.2 miles, turn left on 12th Court, then turn right.
Yeah. I was just looking at that. Yeah. Watch this car ramp.
Turn left on 12th Court, then turn right.
There you go, turn.
Turn right on 12th Street.